Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your Cigna insurance card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you need to open your My Cigna application on your phone. Then you need to simply sign in into your account if you haven't already. When you log in, you just have to find your insurance ID card in the ID cards section. So when you are on the cards details page, you just have to look for this button that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you are able to find this option, simply tap on it. Then on the next page, you will see the preview of your insurance card again. There, simply tap on the add option on the top right hand corner of the screen and confirm the integration. As soon as you do this, your card will be saved inside your Apple Wallet. However, in many cases, Cigna does not currently offer direct Apple Wallet integration for insurance ID cards. So if you are not able to see this particular button, it simply means that the card cannot be added directly. So in that case, you can access your ID card anytime via the My Cigna application or your via online account. So whenever required at the clinic or pharmacy, you can simply show your digital card from the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.